Let's set up your hummingbird feeder to have the best shot of attracting many hummingbirds to your yard. Select your hummingbird feeder. Then wash with a mild or gentle soap. Consider washing it on a weekly basis and replacing it with fresh nectar. Let it dry. While it's drying, we're going to make the nectar. The ratio is 3 to 1, 3 cups of water to 1 part sugar. Once the water is warm, pour in the sugar. It doesn't need to be boiled, just warm so the sugar will dissolve. Once it's cooled off, fill the feeder and we're almost ready. You'll want to select a good location that's easy to be seen. We have ours outside the sunroom where we can easily see the hummingbirds feeding. There we go. Also, consider planting some flowers that will attract the hummingbirds as well. Bee balm and trumpet vine are very popular. Thank you for watching. You've been Outside with Sean.